Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a market analysis for the week beginning the 19th of December. This week's going to be very interesting. Friday will be closed due to being Christmas Eve, holiday hours. Since Christmas lands on a Saturday, Friday no trading. So might not be around Thursday either, just me personally. But it's going to be a very interesting week. Price closed at a kind of a crazy level at the end of last week. So right now, I'm watching this red box very closely because price can easily come up and then reject. If price gets over this red box, then I need to see this box taken out. So at the moment, if this does support, it does not get below this low, which this low is at 4,600, 4,695, something like that. As long as it stays above that low and price can move up, it can do one of two things. It can come up and reject either before or at this red box, which I would say anywhere from 4660 up. However, this red box is drawn at 4667 to 4681. So anywhere in there we can see price reject. And if it were to go lower and break this low, I do want to keep an eye on this lower boundary between 4580 and 4586 half. Anywhere in there, if price does support, it could still move higher and turn into something. I'm watching it closely, however, because if it does break this area, it comes down, it breaks this box, keeps coming down, starts getting weak below 45.60, and this thing can come down into this zone down here, anywhere from 44.83 half to that 44.36 half. Anywhere in that zone, price can come down to, and price can find support. So if this thing does start to sell off, if it does reject up here, if it does come down, keep an eye on that level. You know, last week we were really watching this area, this entire zone, but we got support here. That was nice. And then it came back down and got support again. However, it closed nearly right on that support. And that is why I'm going to watch Sunday night, Monday very closely, because we can see one of these two scenarios play out. It can come up, it can chop around. Can it chop around Monday, Tuesday, and then sell off? It can, depending on if it does not break above here. If it can just chop around for a little bit and then start to sell off and get, strong to the downside. It can sell off on Monday and just get weak, and then I would anticipate down here. It can start to chop around, maybe it buys up and then gets over this area. So on the upside, let me talk about what I'm seeing. So if it breaks this, and if it gets above this level here, if it gets above this zone, which is anywhere from 46.97 to 47.07, if it can get above that zone before any real pullback, and then it stays above that, ideally 46.80 the whole time, so it gets above here, gets a pullback, and then comes back up. Anywhere in there, I think if it comes down, depending on how it comes down, this could be a pretty good buy zone, probably anywhere from 46.60 to 46.80. Now that's getting a little bit ahead of myself. That adds a little bit of speculation and prognostication to the equation. But I just want to, stress to you guys, this price can kind of go either way. Right now it's looking good to go higher. And what does that look like? Does it reject? Does it get over this? That's kind of the big question. Does it not go higher at all? Does it just break down? Well, that would be totally different. I think the probability right now, price goes a little higher than it is now, over 46.50. But then from there, what happens? Does it get weak? Does it not? That's the big question on my mind. Now, if it doesn't get above 46.40 or 46.50, doesn't even get above that, let's say it just sells off, well, that would be super weak. So I would really anticipate coming down into that lower zone, which again is that 44.83 half to 44.36 half. So somewhere down there. So it's going to be a very interesting week. How's price going to open? How's it going to move? Should be a lot of fun. Merry early Christmas to all of you guys and gals who celebrate that. And if you don't, happy week to you guys and have fun. But anyway, it should be a very fun week. I'm kind of excited for it. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day. Throw a like on the video if you like it. Throw a dislike if you don't. Always leave comments in the comment section below. Constructive criticism welcome. If you have any questions, if you have different analysis, throw that below. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a fantastic week. I'll see you in the markets. Thanks and take care.